Morning, ladies and gents. I'm just going to get some fuel. Be back in 1 second. Wait. Oh. Well then, so we're off to see the wizard on the yellow brick road to see if he can grant me fame and, where's my keys? Fame and fortune. Where's my keys? Where's my phone? Anyway, so it's now Sunday. No, it's not. It's now Saturday. It's not actually. It's now Sunday, but it's Saturday for you watching this, which is it messes with the old noggin. Again, we go somewhere to find something that you probably don't know what we're doing because you know you may be new to the channel. But to all the ones that do know the channel, we're going to look for classic cars. Well, going to look for trying to find some classic cars. Are you a bit dirty? So right then, so just to quickly cover up a few comments I've had recently. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for joining me. I'm Stokesy. That's my name, Stokesy. Not I'm Stokesy. That's just I'm Stokesy. So thank you for joining the channel. If you obviously like what you see, please consider subscribing because 87% of my audience are not subscribed. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing if you like what you see. If you aren't new to my channel and you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe because it helps me out heaps. The more subscribers I get, the more money we get, and the more money we get, the further afield we can go to these locations. So please subscribe. Also, you need to watch about 5 to 10 videos before you understand my character. Now I am a bit off key, I am a bit up there, you know, so I'm a bit crazy basically. So if you're new to my channel, please watch a few videos. Don't just judge me off my one video like the one person said that my intros are too long and they're boring. Go to another channel then. Sorry, but that's how it is. Right then, without further ado, I'm going to drink some water, not coffee, and we're going to drive to this location. If I remember anything else, I'll get back to you. But for oh yes, so far in the £1 a month PayPal fund, we have got £137. £137. So thank you very much. So we're going to get to the location. Like I say, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and I hope you enjoy what you see. And if you do enjoy what you see, please comment, like, and subscribe, or whatever way you want to say it. The PayPal link is up here. If you fancy donating 50p or a pound. And if you are not new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Right then, let's carry on. Right then, ladies and gents, I'm out of breath already. I've walked for like 7 days and 7 nights to get to this location, and I think it's a bust. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm freezing. It is freezing, and I mean, it is icy. I'm gonna get through this bit of bush here to the other field. The sun's just rising now. There are a lot of vehicles here, there are. Let's just take it slowly and see what we can see. First thing we find is a little Renault 5 TR. Little Renault 5. So she hasn't been moved in a long time. Hasn't been moved in a long time at all. Little Renault 5 TR. Yeah. Oh my god, what have we found here, ladies and gents? So we've got a Mini Cooper 309 GTI, another 309 GTI. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm absolutely shocked. Absolutely shocked. Two Peugeot 309 GTIs. That's something you don't come across at all. Wow. That's unreal. Not one but two Peugeot 309 GTIs. I'm blown away, ladies and gents, I really am. And then you got this Mini here, look. London, Brighton, London, Brighton, London, Brighton, London, Brighton. This poor Mini was clearly loved. It's now been parked here and forgotten. My goodness, what a shame. What an absolute shame. (2009). So I've got a Mini Cooper 309 GTI, another 309 GTI. The first barn of this place is amazing. Let's keep looking, ladies and gents. There's another 309 GTI there, look. Another 309 GTI. That's four. There's five. There's a fucking dimmer Peugeot there, look. Fucking dimmer Peugeot. I can't get any closer, ladies and gents, because the house is there. Look at the wheels on it. I'm absolutely speechless. I mean, look how close it is, we can't even touch it. I mean, look at that back wheel. It's a dimmer kit that is on a Peugeot. Over there, behind the house, there's a lot more 309 GTIs. This location is unreal. (309 GTI). 309 GTI. I mean, ladies and gents, come on. The bloke's got at least 10 309 GTIs. At least 10 of them. Fuck's sakes, man. What is wrong with people? It's another one of those locations where I don't give a fuck if I get caught. I'm gonna have to say something to him. I just don't understand it. I really don't. This has been here a long time. A 200 SE in the bushes. That tree there growing up the side of it. Another little Peugeot Quicksilver. We've spotted about 15 little Peugeots. We've got sheep. Where the land is. What's hiding in the back there? Oh wow, look at that, ladies and gents. Look at that. Looks like a very clean discovery. He must have parked that there. That's like a nest egg because it looks very clean. Unreal. That's clean, that is. A few Freelanders. Another Quicksilver. LDV, Leyland F. Oh, quite a lot of sheep skulls here, look. One sheep skull. Two sheep skull with a spine. Three sheep skull, four sheep skull with a spine. I hope this person isn't letting his sheep die, because that looked pretty dead to me. So in my opinion, this is the Peugeot 309 GTI graveyard. 1,000,000% a shadow of a doubt this is the graveyard of all graveyards. I don't understand this place though, I don't. It's kind of hard to work out. Another Quicksilver. What Corrado is that? I'm not too sure. Is that the supercharger version? I don't know, but that shouldn't be there. We've got a 214 here. Another Quicksilver. I don't know who lives in that house, ladies and gents, but this is proper sketchy, this is. Look at that. There's two dimmers, look, another dimmer. Got MX6 there, look. Golf. Can you believe this dimmer kit on this Peugeot? Mini there, look. Look at this, look. No way. That there is unbelievable, ladies and gents. She's locked. See, I told you it was a dimmer kit, dimmer design. I mean, look how deep these wheels are here, look. Bloody hell. That's some deep dish, that is. I'm blown away that these cars are just left here dying. I really am blown away. I'm absolutely shocked. Look at that for an exhaust. Sake, man. Jesus Christ. And she's starting to die too, ladies and gents, look. It's got a hole there. For fuck's sake. This location just gets better and better. Another 309 GTI. Yeah, it's a dimmer Peugeot. Yeah, look at the kit. Have you seen the likes before? A 205 GTI with a bloody exhaust sticking at the front.